Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan NV. You're a lot more than what it says on your calling card, and you need your vehicle to be more than a van. You demand innovation and versatility. You need it to be your mobile office, your workshop, and your billboard on wheels. The Nissan NV is for you. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, MP3 player, trip computer, passenger airbag, power door locks, bucket seats, power windows, fourth passenger door, brake assist, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.